Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I got something interesting that I found completely by accident while I was surfing through Amazon looking for, budget knives. It looked incredibly interesting, so I figured, why not? Let's bring it to the channel. So stay tuned. Right after we roll that intro, we're going to get right into this guy. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for sticking with me. Today we're going to take a look at a TuyaKnife, and I hope I'm saying that right, the T1601-BT Bruiser. Okay, now, I gotta tell you straight up, this thing's made in China, so my first thought was, alright, what's it knocking off? Because we all know Chinese knockoff blades and how popular they can be and, you know, that wonderful kind of thing. But I gotta tell you, when I got this thing in, I was blown away by it. Now, basically all you get in the box is the knife and like a little buffing pad. You know, no big deal, right? I know. You guys are thinking, shut up, fat boy, show us the knife. There it is. Now, what impressed me was how quick it opens, and it is seriously buttery freaking smooth. We're going to get into a bunch of this here in just a moment. Now here comes the stats, just like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 8.4 inches. The blade is 3.7, and enclosed it's about 4.9. It's got an okay weight to it of about 4.91 ounces, and I got to tell you honestly, most of that is, well, I can't really find a good balance point. It's towards the front. All right, now the blade. And this is what got me. Can you see that? They say it's D2 steel. Alright. I will tell you, when I was running it over a stone, it has a hard sharpen, just like another D2 blade I got. The Bastion Bruiser. Try to put a card up there to give you a link to that video. What I love a lot about that blade, see the two-tone on it? Okay, now as you did see, well hopefully, it is a flipper open, and what I love is it's got a ceramic ball bearing pivot system. I mean, this thing just, it just rockets open. It is so freaking just amazingly how quick it goes. You know, I've been playing with it non-stop since I've had it, and it never fails. It never hangs up. The other thing that got me was the scales are texturized G10. And I hope you can see the little intricate work in here. And it really is ergonomically done beautifully. It fits so amazing in my hand. It's almost like it was custom made just for me. It's right in there. And I mean, it's just wow. Now, it's only got a one-position pocket clip, which is really deep carry inside your pocket, and it's tip up. Now, they say that's a subframe lock, but I gotta tell you, that looks like a frame lock to me, just because there's really not much down there. Well, okay, maybe that is a subframe. I can see a little bit further down there. I don't know if you can see that far down. But anywho, and like I said, it's made in China, and I can't really see what it's a knockoff of. So I'm okay with that. Unlike that other Ifengro one that I did, that was a zero tolerance knockoff. I'm going to leave a little card right up there if you want to check that one out. Now, here's the part that caught me, okay? There's not an official TuyaKnife website that I could find. I found one called warrenedcblades.godaddysites.com that claimed to be the official North American distributor of these things. Now, the price over there was $59.99, and they had it slashed down to $44.99. Over on Amazon, this is going to run you $44.90, and it's got free shipping. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at the ratings, okay? This has got 5 out of 5 stars with 31 reviews over on that Warren EDC Blades site. And the first review that I could find, because I scrolled through 7 different pages, was 3/2 of 2018. So I'm wondering if TuyaKnife is something that's brand new out there on the market. So I'm hoping one of you out there has some more information that you can leave me down below. And it's got a 4.7 out of 5-star rating over on Amazon, and it's only got 12 reviews. Now, the one thing that I love, right out of the box, it just goes through it, no problem. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the the TuyaKnife Bruiser. I want to know what you think, as usual, please, down below. Questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever. Leave some down there. Makes me feel like someone's watching and I'm doing a pretty good job. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. I mean, I know there's a lot of other options out there on YouTube, and I'm really honored you picked one of mine. You're going to see a symbol popping up right about here. That's our little company logo. Go ahead and click on that like all the cool kids are doing. Click, 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 click. I know, guys. Sorry, shameless promo, alright? That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've hit that little subscribe button, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon that is right next to it. That is going to notify you every single time I put up a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there you go, guys. The TuyaKnife. Thank you so much for spending your day with me.